Well, good afternoon, and it's a dark, dreary, going to be stormy afternoon. I was hoping that it would lighten up, but hasn't yet. We can but hope. Hope springs eternal. Today is going to be two different outfits styled two different ways, but they're quite interesting because they're ones that were really like, oh my, how am I going to do this kind of things. And the first one will slay you, I promise. It's so out there. So, because I like a challenge, I do. I like a challenge. This was a challenge. Now, can you believe that this is actually a pair of trousers? I know, I hear you say, a pair of trousers? You must be joking. No, this is actually a pair of nappy pants. And when I tried them on, although I like a pair of nappy pants, I do, these were so short that they were really like only knee length. And that's no good for me because my poor little leggies are a war zone. The chemotherapy wrecked the veins, and then I had to have operations on the veins, and that wrecked my legs even more. And I hide them. I hide them at all opportunities because they're frightening, quite honestly. So it's fair enough. But I found these gorgeous nappy pants. Thought, yay, I really like those. But they were miles and miles too short. And I thought, well, I'm not giving up on them. I'm not giving up on them. So I cut across the crotch, hemmed it, and I have this quite interesting batwing, elasticated waist, blouson, fabulous top. So what do we think of my trousers? It just goes to show a bit of imagination can go a long way. And often these nappy pants have got the most fabulous fabrics. Now you can actually pull the bottom down further and have it more tunic-y. But I just thought for this one, I'm going to have it a little bit higher up because this skirt is lovely and so picks out the pale blue. It's lovely and floaty and soft and silky. And this gives it a more grown-up look, a less hippie look. I mean, I would say this doesn't look too hippie at all. Summer, very summery. Bug jewellery, of course, because that's the way I roll. I just made matching earrings to go with the bugs, and it picks out the darker and the lighter blue. What's not to like? And in this hot weather that we have been having, unseasonably hot weather that you've been having, it's always hot here, it's just a cool layer that's not going to stick to you. It's going to be loose and cool and baggy, and it's going to be comfortable. And the thin floaty skirt, absolutely spot on for a heat wave. Little pair of flip-flops, off you go. Now, I did want to up it for the next one and make it a little bit more hippie because it's nappy pants, for goodness sake. You've got to go there. So let's have a look and see what we do with our nappy pants. So I swapped out the big blue beetle for my little silver one that it's just been up recently in my jewellery catch-up. I think it's quite daytime, it's quite cute. The little bugs in the ears are really small and wee and dainty and cute. But it's got a fun, funky vibe to it, so I think it's quite a nice one. You can play with where your elastic comes on your top quite a bit when you've got these nappy pants. And I put it with a skirt. Now this skirt I absolutely adore. It is from Chiang Mai, but it's not the easiest of blues to match up. It's got really subtle, nice blues, and it's a gorgeous Indian print, and it literally is just drop dead gorgeous, but I have trouble styling it. But I think it works with this. It works with these trousers beautifully. Isn't this gorgeous though? I absolutely love it. I filmed this one at a really lovely temple in Thailand, and all the bells were going, and it was really lovely, really lovely. But this is one of my favourite skirts. But because it's this really, I don't even know how to, ultramarine blue, not quite ultramarine, it's a little softer than, because I suppose it's got the soft blue and the darker blue, but it's, as I said, not the easiest to match up. And although this isn't an exact match, somehow the two patterns, the two colours, the four colours, all seem to work in harmony. I love this top. I think in this hot weather, it's absolutely brilliant. Now I'm going to be looking for more nappy pants. I know you're going to be looking for nappy pants. Nappy pants are going to suddenly be all the rage, and they're going to be thinking, why? Why are nappy pants so popular all of a sudden? Because we're chopping the crotches out and making them into tops. Okay, so that is my first two outfits. And now we're on to our third. But I'm going to tell you now, when I got these, it was one of those, oh my God, am I going to really do this? Am I really going to do this? And I did it. And they're difficult. They are difficult. And I did think, I'm only going to be able to style these one way, but actually I managed to style them a couple of ways. And I like them. They're funky and they're different. So, having gone from the trousers as tops, let's have a look at another pair of trousers. Now, a very sweet lady commented a couple of weeks back that I was very powy-wowy. I thought, I'll take that. I don't mind a bit of powy-wowy. Now, if we're talking powy-wowy, this outfit has to be powy-wowy. And I really hope that the camera picks us up, because I don't know if it will or not. But this is one of these shot net tops that has got green and blue and shimmers in both colours. But I don't know if you'll be able to see it. And it's the same as my jewellery, as in I use the mica powders to try and give it that lovely sort of petrol slick coloration that gives you all the shades slightly shifting. I made this set to go with these beautiful dark aurora borealis beads, and I think it goes very well, and I do enjoy them, so it's quite nice to have the opportunity to wear them. It's not often that you can wear a bug this size and get away with it. The chains on the earrings are to echo I think we've got 4 layers of chain, or 4 layers of chain on the necklace, all with little beads just added into them. So that is the theme for this outfit, really. I've added some sparkly bracelets as well, and a matching bug ring on this hand. You know, I love making everything to match. Let's pull back and have a look at the whole reason for this outfit, shall we? So these trousers were just sitting there, and of course the colour immediately caught my eye, because you can't walk past a rail with lime green, purple, turquoise and forest green and not look at it twice. And I looked at them, those are completely see-through, that's just silly, don't even go there. And then I thought, 98 pence, 5 ringgit, can I really walk past it and not do it? I mean, can I? I mean, that's just 98 pence. It's got to be worth having a go at styling them and finding something that goes with them and making them look funky. And I have these shoes. I mean, for goodness sake, what else are you going to wear shoes this colour with? Because they're just loopy-loo as well. But then I had the top, so I had to have the shoes, you know. I've got a scarf as well, but I thought that was just gilding the lily a little bit much. So these trousers, they're so funky. And again, in this hot weather, I mean, it's about as much as you want to wear. It's just like they're not there. They're just sheer chiffon pants. But with the craziest patterns and the brightest colours. And they're very, very vibration. They're not very they're vivacious. They're very vivacious in a vibraty kind of way. I don't know what's going on with my head today. So we have the reflective shoes, we have the reflective shirt, we have the reflective jewellery, we have the see-through outrageous trousers. I think that's... Now, this was genuinely one of those outfits that I said to you a couple of weeks back, that there will be occasions where there's an outfit and I only do it one way because that's all I'm going to be able to put with it. But I'm going to have a go at doing this another way. This time I have picked up more of the purple and brought that in as well. It's one of my favourite colours, why wouldn't I? So we have a turquoise long t-shirt. This was a 5 ringgit find in JJJ. I've just got a new one. My husband sent me a link for it and it's over in the old part of town. And I sent the link to my daughter and she said, as soon as I get off work, let's go. So last night we woofed off down there, but we were a little bit disappointed because it was tiny. It was absolutely tiny. In fact, there was only one checkout. It was that tiny. But I did find this t-shirt and a couple of other things which will be coming to you at later dates. But worked perfectly for what I was doing today. And I swapped out the t-shirt I had because this one was better. Longer, more basically, longer. I like long. I think that's because I've got such a long body, it works better for me. I added in this purple, luscious, deep, dark, rich purple waistcoat. And then my scruffy old hippie jacket, which I just wanted to give it that sort of hippie vibe. These are the handmade beads I made to go with another outfit, but they match this one perfectly with the teal and the lime green. And I have the matching earrings I made and the matching bracelet I made because I like to matchy. So I've even got a green and purple ring, which is, you know, got to be unusual, hasn't it? So I put it all together. I think it looks quite relaxed and hippie and still with these fabulous trousers, but now I'm picking out every single colour that's in there and I've taken off all the sparkly. This is it. Purple, green, turquoise, teal, lime, every single colour in these fabulous, crazy see-through pants. And very relaxed, very, very easy, quite hippie, definitely hippie. And of course my hair goes as well, because I've got the turquoise in the hair, so, you know, we're covering every single colour in them, we're covering. Clear shoes. These clear shoes are a boon. Somebody that does what I do and they have to, you know, they put different outfits together and they don't always have the perfect pair of shoes. Clear shoes, they just work because you can wear them with anything, they just work. They give me a little tiny bit of heel, which just gives you a little boost. This actually is an outfit that's wearable now because all these layers are long enough that one doesn't feel that one's showing too much by wearing see-through trousers. So you can feel quite relaxed in them and not feel that you've got to be self-conscious. Most of you wouldn't be anyway. But yes, I quite like this. And these pants really are a little bit extra. They are a little bit extra, to say the least. But as I said, 98 pence, what are you going to do? You're going to walk past them? No, you're not. You're just going to give it a go and see what comes together. I love the pointy waistcoat coming down lower than the pointy jacket, and then the pointy jacket over the top. All the little points all hanging down over the funky trousers. Layers upon layers, but all light cotton t-shirt, simple layers. Funky handmade jewellery. Get your polymer clay out, have a bit of fun. What was that? I was Bridgerton, second series of I think the third series? Well, the last series of Bridgerton, that's what I was doing these beads. That's why there's so many of them. Oh, I got into it. I was having a binge and making beads as I watched it. You know me, always fiddling, always making something. Hopefully I'll be doing another jewellery catch-up soon, because I've had little busy fingers in that respect. I had some new moulds through, been making new bugs, trying out some different things. I suddenly got an idea in the middle of the night last night, had to get up and draw it. Happens, it just happens when it happens to me. Come join me next week. I'm not going to say how bad my views are. You only have to look to see how bad my views are. Keep telling your friends. Hopefully one of them might click on me. You never know. Do them a favour. Especially if they're stuck in a rut and they need to be a bit braver with what they wear. And I know, because I was stuck in a black rut for years and years and years and years. But not any longer. I've been let out of the box. It's dangerous. Once you're out there, you never know where you're going to go. Anyway, my dears, I'll see you hopefully on Wednesday and at the weekend. Have a really, really good week. You deserve it. Do something for yourself. Do something nice. Enjoy yourself this week. You really do deserve it. I'll see you soon. Bye for now from the Crafty Nana.
It's a crafty